Hey guys, welcome to Sahavinya channel. Today we are going to unbox Kinder Joys. So I got this one, a dolphin in the water in a water tub. So what it can do is, so if we just put it on, can you see this? This wheel thing, this one. With this, if we put it on the table and well, let me show. See, it can spin. Look, if we spin this wheel thing, it can spin. See?
That can I see?
Sure. And we are unboxing Shreshta's one now. Shreshta. Shreshta. Now hold it here. And when I say 3, 2, 1, pull, okay? 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this is the chocolate. Ooh, golden rules. Let's read it. Golden rules. Kinder Joy, golden rules. Rule number 1, milk of high quality. Rule number 2, without colorings. Rule number 3, without preservatives. Rule number 4, selected raw materials. Rule number 5, production processes with high hygiene standards. This is actually for adults to read. I didn't understand a single bit. Okay, so this is a spoon. Let's see the toy. Are you ready, sis? Close your eyes. Close your eyes. What did we get? What did we get? Wow! Okay. We got a comb, some wings, and a butterfly.
Oh.
Okay, now let us see here, in here. Okay, so it should actually be like this. Can you see it? Here. Yeah, this Play-Doh app is on the phone, right? Oh no, the comb fell down. 1 second, guys. Okay, so we got it. Okay. So guys, first we should, if you get this toy, just look at the instructions. You get it like this, and now put this here. Oof. And now this here. Ta-da! It's an accessory now. Isn't it amazing, guys? See, we can even put it in our hair. Ooh. We can even play it in the Play-Doh app. Thanks, guys, for watching. Shreshta, do you like your toy?
Yeah.
And I like mine because it spins.
I love mine more because it's my favorite color pink.
Oh. We can also put it in our hair. Like this. Ta-da! There's a butterfly stuck in your hair. Bye, guys.